Pag nakikita mo yung mga taong successful, no, parang ang dali-dali ng ginagawa nila, no? So we have this impression na napakadaling gawin. But do you know that all successful business people pass through a lot of difficulties? Natuloy nung nasanay sila, na-build yung muscle nila, naging madali yung ginagawa nila. And they have achieved a certain level of discipline na tuloy, nagiging madali. That level of discipline is something that's different, that's extraordinary. Kasi kung makikita mo, it's no longer the money that they are running after. They actually enjoyed yung being able to discover new things about themselves and maximizing their potential. Then, money comes as a result of that. So, kung gusto mo maging successful na business person, don't chase money. Don't put money ahead of you. Put at the center the God who gave you ability and obey Him and have faith in Him na binigay niya sa iyo yung ability niyan for a purpose. And the purpose is para enlarge mo, para improve mo, para ma-discover mo what that ability that is unique in you can do for others, what it can do in order to be a blessing to others. So i-pursue mo yun, pagka pinursu mo yun, you are on the right track. And believe that God is with you and have faith in God that He will bring you to success. Success is the byproduct of your faithfulness to God.